Empty and broken, I came back to him, a vessel unworthy, so scarred with sin, but he did not despair. He started over. He didn't throw the clay away. Over and over, he molds me and makes me into his likeness. He fashions the clay. Didn't throw the clay away. Oh, he's the potter. I'm just and I am the clay. Molded in that great image. In his image, he wants me to stay. But when I stumble and I fall, and my vessel breaks, oh, he just picks up the pieces. He doesn't throw